Lebanon, Ohio. It's extremely hot out here today. We're all dying of heat stroke. But what I want to talk to you about is the peeling behr deck over system that was here. We simply named this deck the peeling behr deck over deck, I believe is what we called it. I'm Anthony Ford, proprietor of Kong Armor. We utilize an ultra thick, highly expansive, insanely adhesive, tough as a silverback gorilla coating system to lock down and encapsulate decks with peeling behr deck over, peeling restore 10x, deck in a day, 2x deck, 4x deck, 6x deck, cabot deck correct, super deck, dock and deck, any of them that peel on deck systems and the homeowners are left like, what do I do? We're the answer right here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky. Okay, this was the peeling behr deck over deck. Again, Lebanon, Ohio. What do we got? We got a lockdown encapsulated deck system. I'm going to insert pictures in here so you guys can see as we go through this video. This thing was inundated with peeling behr deck over. It was a horrible situation. That's a towel. But when you look at these steps, I'm going to insert a picture in here, and clearly you'll be able to see that we had big, large chunks of peeling behr deck over all over the place. There was peeling behr deck over out in the yard. Big chunks of it everywhere. Now what? Kong is king at rescuing these deck systems. Old weather decks, decks with peeling deck paint, deck leprosy, what we call ugly deck syndrome. Nobody on the planet is more experienced in it than us. Peeling deck paint encapsulation or deck restoration painting, deck rescue painting. Nobody has our coating system, right? Nobody has our warranty, lifetime limited warranty. You're not going to get that from a deck painter, a local pack painter. It's not going to happen. Nobody has. Look how beautiful this deck system is. My goodness. When you talk about thick build, gorgeous film technology that outperforms composite, a better warranty than composite, right? A lifetime limited warranty, right? Look at this thing. Look at that thing. Up to hurricane speeds, abrasion resistance. It's ready to take on your kids. It's ready to take on hurricanes, wind driven rain, sleet, ice, splinter lock technology. Look at the fasteners closed off here. No water getting to the fasteners. Water lock technology, splinter lock technology, lifetime limited warranty, the most gorgeous full-bodied thick film coating on the planet today. And then you add to that regeneration. What's regeneration? A lifetime service promise from the local Kong Armor dealership here in Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky that says, hey, if you damage it and it can't be covered under warranty for some reason, guess what? We're going to lock you into affordable repair rates. Insanely affordable, right? What's that create? One and done. You coat this bad boy once, the ball game's over. From then on, you might have a few touch-ups here and there. Outside of that, we've got a lifetime system. Boom. Outperforms composite. The cost, significantly less than composite. Outperforms your local painting contractor. Come on now. Come on. From where this was to what it is now, let me tell you what this family was facing. This family was facing, at minimum, deck floor replacement. Okay? Deck floor replacement. This deck isn't done yet. Keep that in mind. Some of you might be seeing the spindles down here that aren't done. We're still going around and coating it. But at minimum, they were facing deck floor replacement. That's at minimum. How much? How much to replace a deck floor like this? I'm going to tell you. To get a contractor to come in here and replace this deck floor, and then you remember, you're back to unprotected. So you just got bare wood, you're back to unprotected, right? So if you did a wood floor, you're looking at 10 grand, $10,000 to $12,000, right? If you did a composite, it might even be, it's way up there. It's crazy, absurd. You better empty your bank account, because that's it. It's ball game. Rescue encapsulation armor from Kong Armor. Cures everything all in one shot. Gives you better warranty, lifetime service. You're fully protected. Reset. Boom. With the best protection in the world. At a cost that's way under replacement. What are you waiting for? What are you specifically? Why are you not on the horn right now, calling Kong and saying, get out here and get my deck done. Get out here and save me thousands of dollars. Why are you not? www.𝐂𝐿𝐻𝐼𝐍𝐶om. Click the get free quote button. Do it now. Go. See ya.